everybody, it's me Linton back with another video, and today as you probably saw by the title, I'm going to show you how to get free money from Roblox like at a pizza place. So, the first thing you will need Robux, because as you probably can see, well, you can't see yet, you will need Robux because if you go into the shopping thing, you need a hang glide. So, yeah. And then, can't do that. So, yeah, you need to do that. So, I've got a hang glider right here. And so, I'm going to click to glide. And you want to fly over to this island over here. Now, this won't work. Oh, and it only works one on your thing because I don't know why. I don't know why. It only works once. But, and I've already done it. It was just over this hill because I like discovering things and things. So I went over to this hill and drop when I was trying to get over there. And, yeah, and I walked and walked and walked, and then I found a treasure chest. So, yeah. We're nearly there. Okay. My brother's just playing another Roblox video, so yeah, you will hear some background noises, except for my voice. And I just woke up too, so that's another reason. Yeah, let's quickly fly down here. There you go, it's time to go. Okay, so now that we are finally on the land, just want to get up here somehow. There we go. And so then up here, and then so you see this tree falling down thing, the ladder sort of thing. You just want to fall on the stick, and then go in here, fly your way, and you'll find a treasure chest that gives you $2,000. But it only does it once, and it won't give me it again because I already found it. Anyway, so that's a way to get it. And yeah. Oh, double time. Okay. Didn't know that was going to happen, but whatever. Anyway, so that's all. So thank you guys for watching.